Hello student. In last video we have completed heredity, chromosomes and types of chromosomes. We know that chromosomes is made up of DNA. So our next point is DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid means DNA. This acid is discovered by Swiss biochemist Friedrich Messler in 1869. When they are studied about the white blood cell, this nucleic acid discovered. This acid is firstly found in the nucleus. That's why its name was nucleic acid. After realized that it is present in other cell too. The molecules of DNA are present in all organisms from virus, bacteria to human beings. These molecules control the functioning, growth and division of the cell and are therefore called master molecule. See, this DNA is the main part of the cell and that is the control all functions, growth of the cell and the cell division, and that's why it's called the master molecule. The DNA structure is same in all organisms. In 1953, the Watson and Crick produced a model of DNA molecule. These two scientists are derived the structure of the DNA, and this structure is of DNA is same in all organism. As per their model, in the DNA structure, there are two parallel thread nucleotides are coiled around each other. Those nuclei are present in the DNA structure that are parallel to each other and they coil to each other. And this arrangement is called double helix. Double helix means twisted or in spiral shape. This structure can be compared with the coiled or flexible ladder. Each strand in the molecule of DNA is made up of mainly small molecule known as nucleotide. See, we know that the DNA having two parallel nucleotide, and this is the small molecule of the DNA. There are four nitrogenous base are present in this nucleotide: adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. Adenine and guanine are called purine, while cytosine and thymine are called pyramids. In structure of the nucleotide, a molecule of a nitrogenous base and phosphoric acid are each joined to molecule of sugar. See, in the nucleus of cell, the DNA is present, and this DNA having nucleotide, in that the molecule of nitrogen base and phosphoric acid is joined to each other with the sugar molecule. Nitrogen base are four types, that's why nucleotide are four types. The nucleotides arrange like a chain in a molecule of DNA. Two threads of DNA molecule are comparable to the rail of ladder and each rail is made of alternate joint molecule of sugar and phosphoric acid. Each rung of the ladder is a pair of nitrogen base joined by hydrogen bond. See, in these two parallel nucleotides are supposed to rail up the ladder, and they are alternate joined by with the sugar molecule, and each rung which are between these two ladder, they are made with the nitrogen bases joined by hydrogen bond. Their pair is like adenine pair with the thymine and cytosine always pair with a guanine. If you see in figure 16.4, we are seeing that there are two parallel nucleotides. They are joined between them two pair of nitrogen base. This is the structure of DNA. Then gene. The segment of DNA molecule are called genes. Due to variety in sequence of nucleotide, different kind of genes are formed. We know that the joint which are between these two nucleotides are made with the pair of nitrogen base. There are the 4 nitrogen bases, that's why the two pairs are formed. Adenine, thymine, this is the one pair, and cytosine and guanine, this is the second pair. And on that sequence, the different kind of genes are formed. On the pair of these nitrogen bases, the different kinds of genes are formed. Genes control the structure, function of the cells and of the body. Also, they transmit the hereditary characteristic from parent to offsprings. Hence, they are said to be functional unit of heredity. See, the chromosomes is made up with the DNA, and the segment of DNA is called the gene. And the function of chromosome is the transfer of hereditary characteristic from parent to offspring. And that's why the chromosome, DNA and gene are functional unit of heredity. Many similarities are seen between parent and their offsprings. And information about the protein synthesis is stored in this gene. DNA fingerprint. The sequence of gene in the DNA of a person, that is the genome of the person, is identified. It is useful to identify the lineage and to identify criminals because it is unique to every person. See, those are the DNA fingerprints is called the genome, that every persons have the unique fingerprint, and that's why we can identify its particular person DNA fingerprint. Then seeds of technology. In 1990, Human Genome Project was together undertaken by all genetics of the world. And one industry of the USA Kerala Genomics Corporation. They are studied about the genome and they are find out about the 20,000 to 30,000 numbers of genome is present in human beings. This discovery is very useful to human beings to identify the disease causing genes and can be diagnosed and properly treated.